Hi everyone, welcome to Mala's channel. Let's have fun. And today we will be opening the One Piece 2U1 card box. Today we have here the One Piece by Little Frog, and this one is the 2U1 card box. As you have watched already, the first one that I had opened was the 1U1 card box, the blue box. And that one has the other characters, and this one has mostly more on Luffy's crew for the wanted cards especially and the SSRs, and this is their Wano series. And here's the artwork for the art pack, and here's the back. And for our first pack, I wonder if we could get a first pack magic. Let's see what we could get inside this first pack. And for this Little Frog One Piece, you do get 5 cards per pack. And for first card, we have Kanjuro, a CR of Nami and Usopp. We have Suke, and we have an SR of Brook, and we have an SSR of Vivi. Like, since this is the 2U1 card pack, I think we would get 2 hits in a pack. Unlike for the 1U1 card box or the 1U1 card box, you only get 1 hit. And this time, I really have to put them inside the sleeves. And let's open this 2 card box first. And I'm especially looking forward for this box since it get me excited from the first pack that we just have opened, since we do get 2 hits rather than 4 rares or 3 rares with a CR and a hit. This time we do get 2 hits. And first, let me get out the cards and we will see it together. And we have a rare of Kuni, Toko, we have Kinemon, and we have an SR of Luffy. And of course, I have to get my sleeves. The SR are just so vibrant and really cool looking in person. Like, I'm not using any special lighting or anything. I'm filming with the sun. And here we have an SR of Okiku. And what you see on this video and is what you will see in person as well. I don't really see any difference at all. Like, the only thing you would see a difference with is the texture overall with this card, since my camera don't do justice with the textures. And here we have a rare of and a wanted of Brook. Like, this is the card that I really wanted to get when I opened this box, since watching a lot of card openings. That's why I bought this box. And we do get an SSR of a Marine. Like, the SSRs are really great as well. Like, the first box that we have open. And for this Little Frog One Piece, I know that there are newer boxes that have just been released, but I haven't really gotten my hands on that. But maybe in the future, I will. But I really like this wanted card. And here's the back of the Brook wanted card. And let's open some more packs. And as much as I wanted to make a whole ASMR videos, and even though I use a noise cancelling mic already, and it also has a windshield and everything, but it does still pick up loud sounds that are near it, especially we have like chickens outside and birds, like they're just ganging up on me when I do film. And every time I finish, like they're still noisy, so you'll have to bear with me if sometimes I do an ASMR video, but some parts I do talk and not the whole video are ASMR. But hopefully the back card of this One Piece card is a hit, since sometimes it has the same back of the CR card. And here we have a rare of Yamato. We have a rare of Luffy. SR of page 1. We have a wanted card of Goldie Roger. And the wanted cards are really beautiful. But I think the wanted cards in this card box is less shiny. And I think the first box, the blue box that I open, has a much shinier wanted cards. And here's the back of this wanted card. And of course, we also have to sleeve up this SR card. And if you are wondering why I sleeve it upside down, because later on I do double sleeve my cards. And here we have a rare. And we have a fun rare of Brook. And we got the CR card of Sun Pirates, SR of Zoro, and SR of Shinobu. And for One Piece, what arc have you watched? Like for me, I have stopped watching for a while now, so I'm I just finished like the Hazard Punk arc, and I haven't really continued since then. And we have a rare. We have a CR of Luffy, Nami, and Sanji. And we have a rare of Zoro, SR of Shoten Maru, and we have the SER of Usopp. And I do think the SER is the top hit for this box. Like it is either SER or SD card. And that's why if I don't know the name or pronounce the name right, like I'm very sorry, I'm not really good at pronouncing. And the SER card is really nice. And the SR of Shoten Maru will have to sleeve it up also. Like it's an early hit, but let's continue. And let's open some more packs. And it's still not the end of the video, but we will do the ASMR part right now, since I did get a good audio while opening these packs. And now let's get the cards out of the box first before we see everything. And since I think that's the hit, we will do it at the back. And we have Trafalgar Law. And we have the CR cards of the Red Hair Pirates. And we have Miss Buckin and SR of Sanji. And we got the SR of Black Maria. And let's continue. We do have the rare of Beppo. We have the CR of and a rare of Avalo. And we have an SR of Okiku. And we have the SR of page 1. Like, I really like this card as well since it has names on them. Like, the CR cards are the only one that doesn't have the English names. Like, but that is really easy to search with Google Translate. Unlike the first box that I did open, it did not have English names. I think only a few of them got the English names, but this one does have a English version, but not every arc has the English version. The one that I have opened first that I really like is the Skypiea. One Piece is Skypiea, and that is a English version. And we did get the SSR of Nami and the wanted card of Big Mom. And here's the box side. And let's open some more packs. And for the first pack, we have a Chopper card as a hit. Like, Chopper is really adorable, and Chopper is one of my favorite characters in One Piece. Even though he doesn't really have a lot of power than others. And the second pack does have another Chopper hit. And I wonder if we do get another Chopper hit. Oh no, it's Drake for the third pack. So we'll go for the Drake first and the black card for the last. And we have a rare of Jinbei. We have a Seer of Luffy and Zoro. And we have Tama. And we got the SR of Luffy. And of course, we will have to get the sleeve to sleeve the SR card. And we got the SR of Drake. And let's continue. We have a rare of Kobe, Nami, Jinbei, and we got the SR of Nami. And we got the SSR of Chopper. And for the last pack, we have the rare of Komachio, and we have the CR of Robin and Frankie, and the rare of Sanji, and we got the SR of Beppo, and the wanted card of Chopper. Like, look how adorable he is on that photo. And let's leave the cards up. We have three packs left, and we are done opening these card packs up, and we'll be able to wrap it up. And of course, the first pack has a hit of Chopper again. Let's see what the second pack hit is. Like for this One Piece cards, like the hit is on the box, so it's easy to see since it has info of the character, and we do get another Chopper. Like, I think this is a Chopper heavy box. And I wonder what we do get for the third. We do have Brook. So we'll start first for the choppers. And we have Mihawk. We have a CR card. A rare of Nami. We have an SR of Robin. A UR of Chopper. Like, that's a really nice UR card. So far, I think for this card box of One Piece, this is my first UR. And of course, I'll have to sleeve the UR card. And let's not forget the SR of Robin. And let's continue. We do have this rare card. And we have the CR card of Helmepo. And we have a rare of Suke. A wanted card of Sorrow. Like, that's really cool. Like, one of my phone case is like Zora. Like, Zora is one of the characters that is really cool and you would want to be a team with. And we got the SR of Chopper. Like, he has the same outfit as the UR card. And for the last pack, let's see what we get. We get the rare of Beppo, a CR card, and we have the rare and SR of Neko Mamoshi, and we got the SSR of Brook. Like, that's screaming rock and roll. And that's the last hit we get. And with everything that we have opened, what's your favorite card so far on the cards that we had pulled? Like, for me, definitely it's Chopper.